doesn't just shape bricks, it also stacks them perfectly, ready for immediate use in construction. Have you ever heard of the fascinating technique called friction welding, where heat and pressure create solid bonds? There has rarely been anything so satisfying to watch as seedlings being planted automatically by this device. Cutting massive pile caps becomes effortless when you rely on this high-powered cutting machine. Effortlessly irrigate your entire field with these sprinklers that distribute water evenly across every corner. This skilled man crafts shock absorber springs with flawless precision, ensuring durability and performance. This machine slices through thick metal sheets as if they were nothing more than fragile paper. Introducing the Soil Compactor Puppy, a small yet powerful companion always ready to handle tough groundwork. This flexible hammer packs an extra punch, making demolition work smoother, faster, and far less exhausting. This compactor machine is your best friend when demolishing a building, saving you time and energy. This is soil compaction at its absolute finest, where power meets flawless engineering. Meet your Forge Buddy, a tireless machine always ready to do the hammering so you don't have to. With this simple attachment, your truck can maneuver tight and tricky turns effortlessly. This excavator attachment separates rocks from sand with ease, saving hours of manual labor. You won't sweat carrying a dozen heavy bags of cement upstairs thanks to this clever invention. Now this is the proper way to connect a loop of chain, ensuring strength and security. There is absolutely no stopping this powerful machine once it gets to work. Unloading tires becomes incredibly easy with this system, since you never have to worry about them breaking. Experience the intricate and traditional process of making thick handmade rope, step by step. You are witnessing the remarkable restoration of a colossal ship, brought back to life piece by piece. This machine can produce more than 4,000 individual pieces every single hour without fail. With this machine, you can plant countless seedlings almost instantly and with perfect alignment. Even rabbits would be left behind. Few things are as oddly satisfying as watching young seedlings being planted in neat rows. See the mesmerizing process of extracting sunflower oil from countless tiny seeds. Soil preparation is perfected with this clever piece of machinery. If you had to decide, would you choose the blue pill or the red one? This heavy-duty tool makes cutting pile caps seem almost effortless. An egg handling machine with a unique design ensures each egg is treated with extreme care. Watch how entire logs are transformed into ultra-thin sheets of wood in seconds. Tree stumps don't stand a chance against this machine, which shreds them to nothing. Irrigating wide fields becomes completely effortless with these advanced sprinklers. Shock absorbers crafted with perfection, straight out of a Minecraft dream. Belt sanders scrub surfaces so clean that not a single trace of rust remains. Sidewalk railings are polished to perfection by this powerful cleaning device. Experience the timeless tradition of sealing wine bottles with hot wax. A blacksmith demonstrates patience and precision while forging butcher knives. Watch as a machine attaches handles to buckets with mechanical accuracy. Thick metal sheets fall apart like paper before the blades of this cutting machine. miniature robot carefully cleans out every corner of your air vents. It's no surprise that royal honey is valued so highly when you see the process. This flexible hammer delivers an extra blow, making demolition quicker and easier. A colossal machine strong enough to split the very earth in two. Here, a blacksmith and his apprentice showcase true mastery in their craft. When it comes to demolishing buildings, a compactor like this is your best ally. Coal slabs might look tempting, but they're not exactly a snack. Fresh lettuce gets packed with astonishing efficiency by this machine. The rolling induction process is mesmerizing, metal bending and glowing with elegance. Even saw blades are kept sharp by another specialized saw. A scooter takes on the crushing jaws of a giant machine and survives. Your ultimate forge companion, this hammering tool does the hard work for you. Not every operator is perfect, and some skills still need a little refinement. With a simple attachment, any truck can take sharp corners with ease. Here's how to feed 100 calves in just a single minute. Watch a craftsman shape bricks by hand, each one molded with expertise.
Découvrez